Hey, what's going on? It's Mike. I'm back again. We got another video. Today we're going to be looking at the April glove box, April 2022. Normally the glove box, they come once a month, a box looking like this. And they shove a bunch of good stuff in here. Last month they had a Aerospace 303 products in here, and this thing was bulging. They had so much stuff. This month, for the first time that I've seen it, it's coming in a big brown box. So we're going to do this video. We're going to open up this box. We're going to see what's inside. We're going to talk about GloveBox. And if something like this interests you, I'll give you a discount code towards the end, and we'll talk about it. So in the meantime, we're going to open it up. If you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. And I do post videos at least twice a week, and we do live streams every other weekend with the manufacturers, and we've had GloveBox on there as well. So without further ado, let's take a peek. GloveBox comes it's $34.95 a month, and you get a box shipped to your house every month. And if you use discount code Mike20, you get 20% off your first month, which takes it down to like $27. And you get anywhere from $65 to $150 worth of products in each box, which is pretty good stuff because they've had some good stuff in here. Wow. So first, right off the bat, is we have a hat. It's a ceramic collection from DP. And it's a small hat. Let me see if I can even get this to come out. Oh, I don't even know if that'll fit my head. It might be a child size. Oh, it'll barely fit. Whew. It's tight. I might cut some circulation off my head. But get a hat. First time I think I've ever seen a hat come in a box. Let me see. Let me get rid of that. We'll put this here. And then we're going to talk about this, what this is. We're going to talk about that towards the end of the video. We got Detailing Products sticker. I like me some stickers, which is cool. Established in 1998. All right. All right. So next thing we have in here is a waterless wash sponge. It's cool. I kind of like these little things like this on my mattress. These are cool. I used to have one, but I don't have one like this one no more. But I know Chelsea with attention to detail, she likes the waterless washes with these types of foam pads here. I have to try that out. I'm not really a waterless wash fan, but I'll give it a shot. Try it out. I'll put this over here. Keep all the products there so we can see it. And we got a towel. Let me see if I take the tag off right off the bat. Oh, it's just a sticker down there, which is good. It's 100% microfiber. It's a 70-30. Dude, of course, you don't iron or use fabric softener. It's made in Korea, which is a good sign if it's made in Korea. That's where usually all the good microfibers come from. It's a pretty decent sized towel. 12 by 18 maybe. Kind of what it looks like. We'll find out. We'll look at the price tags here in a minute. All right. So first thing we'll pull out is the Detailing Products tire dressing. Water-based formula, preserves original color and texture, no sling finish. You know, they always say that, but, I still think it happens. But at least water-based, it doesn't do as much as the solvent-based. Wait 15 minutes in between coats so you can double coat, which is cool. If you like a darker shiner, then you can add more coats on there. Let's see, what else we got? Well, we got a Ultimate Wash and Wax from the Detailing Product. And it says 1 ounce of product for 128 ounces or in a 5-gallon bucket. That must be a pretty good concentrate. Doesn't say anything about the foam cannon, though. Of course, you could use it in the foam cannon, too. I mean, I'll just put 2 ounces there and call it good because I like to make it snow. It says rinses cleanly away, no streaks or spotting. Yeah, right. They haven't checked our water out. Boosts existing layers of Coating, wax, and sealants. I really wouldn't put this on a coating, but wax or sealants, yeah. I wouldn't really do that on a coating, though. That's just me. All right. Interior all-in-one. Oh, cool. Cleans, shines, protects, helps eliminate bad odors, non-tacky, non-greasy finish. Well, if it's got protection in it, that'd be good because it's hard to find an all-in-one that has it all. All-in-one is a true all-in-one formula designed to clean and protect all interior plastics, leathers, vinyls, and surfaces. Quickly removes fingerprints, dirt, dust, and grime, as well encapsulates bad odors. And then effective removal. Huh. All right. I'll give that a shot. I kind of like the interiors. It's just hard to find an all-in-one where you can clean and protect at one. It's hard to find. Got some more triggers. This would be a tire applicator for the tire dressing. And we got an all-in-one polish and seal. It's a little sample version, and it is also from the detailing product. So it's a detailing product takeover. And this is designed for the removal surface of imperfections with natural carnauba wax. Okay, that's cool. Removes a light surface of imperfections, like scratches and smearing with just one easy application. Fortified with carnauba wax for unparalleled levels of gloss. DP all-in-one polish and seal. Well, perfect with your paint and leave a shine. That's not bad. I do in one of my packages. I just offer wash and wax. I could try that on a wash and wax, polish and seal. I'll try it. And in this box, that is it. Throw this off to the side. We'll put some of this back over here. Detailing product takeover. You know what? Let's put this back up. There we go. All right, so each month you also get one of these cards. And these cards basically tells you step-by-step guides of basically what to do. When you get straight out of the box, grab the wash and wax. Add 1 ounce for each gallon. Okay. And then 1 to 2 ounces in your foam cannon. That's what the directions on this say. It didn't say it on here though. And then after rinsing the vehicle, dunk the included wash sponge. So they're saying to use this to wash your vehicle. And then now that the exterior paint is cleaned and dry, they want you to do the tire dressings, and then drop the little applicator. Use the applicator for the tire dressing, and then wipe off excess with a towel. And then step 3 is you use the all-in-one polish and seal and put that on your vehicle. And then you go to the inside, and then you can just use the interior all-in-one, clean up everything on the inside. And then that's basically your clean car, which is pretty good value. So they do have it's from autogeek.net. They do have a discount code, 25% off DP products. I'll put that in the description for you guys to check out. So value-wise, the wash and wax is $9.99. The interior all-in-one is also $9.99. The tire dressing, $14.99. And the little sample of the all-in-one polish and seal is $5.99. The Speedmaster wash sponge is $12.99. And then the DP ceramic collection hat, $19.99. The towel applicator and the decal is $18.99. Decal. The towel and applicator here. So they call that $18.99 value for a total of $92 value for this box. And you can get that for $34.95 a month. which is not bad. And if you're a first time buyer or first time trying them out, you can use my discount code Mike20 and get 20% off the first month, which drops it down to $27. And then so each month I like getting these boxes because these I have used detailing products before, but I've not used any of these products. I actually didn't even know they had all this. But I am interested to use the all-in-one interior. I like doing the interiors for some reason. Glutton for punishment. So if you like watching detailing videos, product reviews, how-to videos, and the live streams we do every other Saturday with Rad Garage and Papa Smurf 918, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have tried any other products, or are you a family of GloveBox? Let me know down below in the comments. Until next time, we'll see you again. Thanks for watching.